Hey there, this is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check out the latest updates from Photoshop 2023. Of course, the first and most obvious one is the object selection tool. They did some updates on it. You can check this box, object finding, and as you can see, these arrows are going to load up the image, and now it is going to highlight some of the objects that you want to select. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to right click, and of course you can delete field selection. It worked pretty okay. We still got some of the parts here and here. Okay, so let's get more in depth with this. You also can change it from rectangle to lasso. So you can also select it like this, for example, if you want like specific areas. Let's say I want to highlight this one and I want to highlight another one. But it's going to jump on this, so it won't do both. But there's like a solution for that. So we got this tab here. We got the new selection, which we're on, and then add to selection or subtract from selection. So I'm going to select one of the peppers and I'm going to click on add to selection. And now as you can see, it's going to select multiple elements from the composition. If you select subtract from selection, you can just deselect the elements one by one, or you can select all and basically it's going to deselect. Add to selection also has a shortcut. You can press and hold shift and you can select multiple objects. Or if you press and hold alt, you can deselect. So I'm going to copy paste some of the peppers. I'm going to press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'm going to reposition these in other areas. I'm going to go back and select this pepper. And now it's going to show me that it cannot select because of course we're in the new layer with this pepper. So basically I need to go back to the original to select the pepper. But check this out, you can also have multiple layers but also select this one if I want. You just need to click on this box, sample all layers. So I'm on this layer with this single pepper, but I still can select the other pepper. But now I need to go back to the background and now I can do the magic copy pasting. Now they also added a new masking feature. The main idea of that is going to mask separately all the subjects. I'm going to right click on the layer and click on mask all objects. So check this out, it masks separately all the subjects in different folders. We also got the background separately. I'm going to uncheck this. But these folders are empty. We just got the masks going on. So I'm going to duplicate the background image. I'm going to press and hold Alt and drag it in each of the folder. I'm going to uncheck the backgrounds, collapse the folders. As you can see, the subjects are separated. Of course, these are not perfect. You can check out with better models and you can remask it if you want. Now they also improved the hair selection. So I'm going to select, for example, the quick selection tool. As you can see, we got here the select subject. I got this arrow where you can check the device, quicker results or cloud detail results. So they say that they're going to do a more detailed selection. I don't know about that. But let's click on the select subject and we're going to check it out how it improved the hair selection. So go to select the mask and here we got the refine hair. I'm going to click on it. It actually did refine it better. It's not perfect. There's always room for improvements. As you can see, it still cuts off the hair around and around. I'm going to click OK. Duplicate the layer. I'm going to select the background copy and I'm going to mask it. Now I'm going to create a solid. So at the edges of the hair and on the right, it's like gray, so it won't do the best job with the white background, but with the black background it works pretty good actually. Now there's like a new Gaussian blur going on, but this is only available for Mac users unfortunately, and I'm a Windows user. And mainly these were the updates related to Photoshop 2023. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end.